We'll guide you through how to fix Instagram posts not uploading in laptop. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Google Chrome on your desktop so you can begin the process of uploading content to Instagram. Once the browser is open, move to the search bar at the top of the screen and type Instagram. After the search results appear, click on the first result shown on the page to open the Instagram website. When the login page loads, enter your account email in the email field provided. Next, type your password carefully in the password section to make sure your account details are correct. After filling in both fields, press the login button to continue into your Instagram account. Once you're logged in, drag your mouse toward the side menu on the left side of the screen. Look through the menu until you find the plus sign icon or the option labeled Create. When you locate it, click on it to start creating a new post. A new window will appear asking you to upload your content. Next, drag your photos or videos directly into the upload area. After your files have been added successfully, press the Next button to continue. At this stage, Instagram will allow you to edit your content before posting it. You can choose a filter or make other adjustments such as brightness, contrast, or cropping to improve the appearance of your photos or videos. When you are satisfied with the edits, press the Next button again. You will then have the option to add a caption to describe your post or share information with your followers. Before posting, make sure you have a stable and strong internet connection because the uploading process may take some time, especially for larger files. Finally, press the Share button to publish your post on Instagram. After the post is shared, wait a few moments for Instagram to finish uploading everything completely. Once the upload is done, refresh the page if necessary to confirm that your photo or video appears correctly on your profile. You can now view the post, read the caption, and check whether the quality and formatting look the way you expected online.